Players ready. In 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 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 Shoot!
So happy birthday para sa big boss ng Team Code Unknown na si Boss Brian. Always stay healthy and more blessings para sa iyo, bossing ko. Unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa tiwala at suporta sa amin para sa buong Team Code Unknown. Mabuhay ka ng mas mahaba, bossing ko.
Happy birthday, Boss Brian. Maraming salamat sa effort at suporta na binibigay mo sa team. And enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Boss Bry. Sana marami ka pang mapayat na bladers dyan sa QC kasi sa akin na tong Cavite.
What's up, Boss Wild? Happy birthday, ingat lagi and God bless.
What's up, happy birthday. At sana mag-ingat ka lagi. Tsaka kanina, naglaro kami kanina. Top ay 4-1. Top quiz, tapos top 3. Ito yung gamit ko. Sayang wala kayo doon. Baka kayo pang manalo. Ayan lang.
Yo, Boss Bry, Code AC8 here, wishing you a happy birthday. Bilang big boss namin sa Team Code Unknown, nagpapasalamat kami sa gabay, pagsuporta, and sa pagmotivate mo sa amin. Whether nananalo kami or natatalo. Papasalamat din kami sa leadership and sa dedication mo within the team. And I wish nothing but good health, success, growth, and most important, fun moments both in and out of the game. Sana maging masayang araw mo and keep on blading.
Yo, this show is Badisol and I just want to say happy birthday to Boss Bry and thank you for shaping my way towards my casting career and also to my streaming career. And also thank you din sa pagtulong mo sa mga bata natin para sa kanilang esports journey and not also in the esports scene and also sa pagtulong sa mga tao natin, sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas and so on and so forth. So do what you like, do what you live. Gawin mo lahat ng gusto mo, Boss Bry. Mabuhay ka, marami ka pang tutulungan. Yo, peace out.
Hi po, Boss Smile! Binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday! Enjoy your day and good luck sa lahat ng tournament! More birthdays to come, more blessings and more bonding! Ingat palagi! God bless! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, mabuhay ka! Greetings from Dragon's Chest!
Happy birthday, Sir Brian. I'd like to wish you a very happy birthday and a long, prosperous life to you and your organization. Please keep being the wonderful person that you are.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bossy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bossy.
Happy birthday, Boss Bry.
Sorry, walang nanalo ngayon.
Yun, happy birthday, Boss Brian Waldency. Wish ko good health and salamat sa suporta mo sa amin, Code Team Bladers, Code Unknown, sa lahat ng team ng Code Unknown. Maraming salamat, Boss Bry, sa'yo. Napakahusay mo, napakagaling mo, napakabait, pagpalain ka ng Panginoon. Salamat, Boss Bry. Happy birthday, you're the best.
Hello, Boss Bry. Happy birthday. Boss. Galing kay Chichi.
Kay Pibo.
Happy birthday. Stay healthy lang, boss. Dito lang kami lagi.
I love you.
Hello, gulo na gago. Apat. Hey! Pwede rin.
Happy birthday, Boss Brian!